All right, so we're at Rutledge Falls. I can hear them already coming right now, like the falls going down. Somebody just said that it was really beautiful flowing and everything. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. So let's go off on that walk. Apparently this is private property that you cross into here. But yeah, I'm definitely, I've seen pictures of this fall, so very stoked of seeing it. So it's down a little gravel path. I like that little barn over there too. That is really cool. And again, this is in Manchester, Tennessee. Yeah, that barn is, it just brings out the area. So yeah, you can already hear the falls. I can hear it from the car. So I mean, that tells you how good and flowing it is. And it doesn't seem like it's all that far from where the landing is. Oh my God, you can, I see a little piece of it. And I start seeing more. Hey Gwen, there you go. I think it's a June bug. Hello. So you got a couple routes that you gotta walk down here. Oh my God. Sorry for using that language, but guys, look at those falls. I mean, they're coming from all over. Like, there's some coming down here too, I see. That is so sweet. It's like stairs. That is so awesome. I'm gonna have to bring Gwen here, I think, to see this. I want to see this other little waterfall that's coming over here, that's going down. Yeah, I don't know where. I don't really see water there, but again, I see water rolling, trickling down. But look at that. That is so cool. And again, there's a pretty crazy walk to get down there, all the way down to the thing down there. I'm not going down there. I just wanted to see the. And they got like stairs. Actually, they're not even stairs. They just look like they may be like if it rains enough, then the water flows off the side of the hill down there. There's a statue here too. But I mean, that is so cool. I mean, there's like even up further. That is so crazy. Gosh, that's so beautiful. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I'm in awe. Watching that water come down like that. This is the first waterfall that I've seen, and I've been like, wow. And then obviously there's a blue hole down there too, where people can go swimming. And as you can see, there's a bunch of people. But this is just so breathtaking. I mean, this is wow. And like as you look up further, there's even waterfalls up there. But this by far is really cool. And I could hear this from the car. And we parked probably about a good 1,000 feet from here probably. This is so cool. And then there's another, so there's like waterfalls that are a little gradually smaller ones too. So I don't even know what to say. This is so cool. just hear that sound. I mean, that sound, I mean, it's just so awesome. But it's not bad, because I mean, you see, there's people up there that are sitting right there with the water going around them. So, I mean, that is so cool. All right, I'm gonna end this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care. Wow, so beautiful.